introducing heavy rain across the warned area. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low-water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Rowlett, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Farmers Branch, South Lake, and Watauga. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.